Pineapple farming is a cornerstone of agriculture in tropical regions. This unique fruit is not only a staple in many diets, but also a key driver of the global economy. Its cultivation, harvesting, and transformation into various products involve a fascinating journey that combines traditional farming methods with cutting-edge technology. In this article, we will delve into the world of pineapple farming, exploring its history, significance, challenges, and modern advancements. The pineapple, Ananas squamosus, is native to South America, specifically the region around present-day Brazil and Paraguay. Indigenous peoples cultivated and traded the fruit long before European explorers encountered it. When Christopher Columbus introduced pineapples to Europe in the late 15th century, they quickly became a symbol of wealth and hospitality due to their rarity and exotic nature. Today, pineapples are among the most commercially important tropical fruits, grown in over 80 countries. The leading producers include Costa Rica, the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, and India. The global pineapple market is valued at billions of dollars, with fresh and processed products exported worldwide. This industry supports millions of farmers, laborers, and businesses, making pineapple cultivation a vital part of the agricultural economy. Pineapples are widely grown in tropical regions, with Indonesia being one of the largest producers. In 2020, the country had a total pineapple cultivation area of 47,000 hectares, accounting for approximately 4.3% of its total agricultural exports. Beyond economic significance, pineapples play a crucial role in the everyday diet of millions, providing essential nutrients and a refreshing taste enjoyed worldwide. In addition to being a major export crop, pineapple farming supports countless farmers and workers. The demand for fresh and processed pineapple products continues to rise globally, fueling investments in modern farming techniques and sustainability initiatives. Countries such as the Philippines, Costa Rica, and Thailand have also become major exporters, meeting international demand for high-quality pineapples. Pineapples thrive in warm, sandy soils with ample sunlight. The ideal temperature for pineapple cultivation ranges between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius. Farmers prepare the land carefully, ensuring it provides the necessary nutrients and drainage for optimal plant health. The cultivation process begins with the selection of healthy pineapple crowns or suckers, which are planted in well-spaced rows to allow for proper growth and ease of maintenance. Rainfall is another critical factor. Pineapples require moderate rainfall, ideally between 1,000 and 1,500 millimeters per year. However, excessive waterlogging can damage the plants, making proper drainage essential for crop health. Farmers often use raised beds or sloped land to ensure excess water drains away efficiently. Pineapples grow best in slightly acidic soil with a pH range of 4.5 to 6.5. Farmers conduct soil tests to assess nutrient levels and adjust fertilization accordingly. Organic matter, compost, and natural fertilizers like manure help improve soil quality. Essential nutrients for pineapple growth include nitrogen. N promotes leaf and stem growth, essential for photosynthesis. Phosphorus P supports root development and early plant establishment. Potassium K enhances fruit quality, size, and resistance to diseases. Magnesium and calcium prevent deficiencies that could lead to poor fruit formation. Pineapples are typically propagated using crowns, slips, or suckers from mature plants. These plantlets are carefully placed into the soil with proper spacing to allow for airflow and sunlight exposure. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Pineapple plants take approximately 16 to 24 months to reach full maturity. During this period, farmers employ various techniques to enhance growth, including irrigation. Drip irrigation ensures efficient water use, especially in drier regions. Weed control. Manual weeding or biodegradable mulching reduces competition for nutrients, pest, and disease. Management. Common threats include mealybugs, nematodes, and fungal infections. Farmers use integrated pest management, IPM techniques, to minimize pesticide use while protecting crops. Forced flowering. The application of ethylene or calcium carbide triggers flowering, allowing farmers to control the timing of fruit production. Once pineapples reach maturity, they are carefully harvested by skilled workers using sharp knives. Harvest timing is crucial to ensure optimal sweetness and texture. Indicators of ripeness include color change. Green fruits gradually turn yellow or orange. Aroma. A sweet, fragrant smell signals readiness. Firmness. Ripe pineapples should be firm, but not overly hard. Harvested pineapples are sorted, graded, and transported to processing facilities or markets. Proper handling prevents bruising and extends shelf life. After harvesting, pineapples undergo various treatments to ensure freshness and quality. Washing and disinfection. Removes dirt, bacteria, and pesticide residues. Sorting and grading. Fruits are categorized based on size, color, and quality. Cold storage. Maintaining temperatures around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, slows ripening and extends shelf life. Packaging. Ventilated crates or protective wraps minimize damage during transportation. Pineapples are processed into a variety of products, including juices and smoothies. Extracted juice is pasteurized and packaged for global distribution. Canned pineapple. Whole slices, chunks, or crushed pineapple are preserved in syrup or natural juice. Dried pineapple snacks. Dehydration extends shelf life while retaining flavor and nutrients. Fermented pineapple vinegar and wine. Innovative processing techniques create new pineapple-based products. Pineapples are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, supports the immune system and skin health, contains bromelain, a digestive enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, supports bone health. High manganese content strengthens bones, aids digestion. Fiber content promotes gut health and regularity, antioxidant properties, protects against cellular damage and aging. Despite its profitability, pineapple farming faces several challenges. Climate change. Erratic weather patterns affect yields and quality. Pests and diseases, mealybugs, fungal infections, and soil-borne pathogens require constant management. Market fluctuations, price instability affects farmer income and profitability. Sustainability concerns. Large-scale plantations may contribute to deforestation and soil degradation. To improve efficiency and sustainability, farmers are adopting automated irrigation systems. Precision watering reduces water waste. Drones for monitoring. Aerial imaging helps detect pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies. Genetically improved varieties. Disease-resistant and high-yield hybrids increase productivity. Blockchain for traceability. Digital tracking ensures product authenticity and quality control. Pineapple farming is a labor-intensive yet rewarding industry that plays a vital role in global agriculture. From planting and harvesting to processing and consumption, every step of the journey requires dedication and expertise. With advancements in sustainable farming and modern technology, the pineapple industry continues to thrive, providing farmers and consumers with high-quality fruit and innovative products.